Hello and welcome to my auction for the Texas Instruments TI-59, I believe 59. It comes boxed, although the box is a little bit tatty. I'm not going to start sellotaping it up as there is sellotape on there already. It is sold as seen with the box tatty as it is. There's the Master Library brochure. Tells you how to use all the library cards that come with it. You've got the personal programming guide. These books are in really good condition. There is a little crease on this one. You've got the key cover. It's not been used at all. The case, and you've got the wallet for the diagnostic cards. Slide them in there. Here's the actual unit itself. I will just go through the numbers so you can see that it works. Okay, you can see that. It's with the original lead. Here's the sheet with the solid state software cards on it. It's complete. There is a couple that are loose, but they are still attached. There's the original inset for the items that go into the box, and here we have the record cards. There's a full pad there. I would think there's probably 20 or 30 at least pages there, and it goes over to the rear as well. Okay. Like I say, it does come with the original lead. It is in working condition. You get everything that's there. I will post worldwide, and postage I will post onto the eBay advert, as I believe it will be expensive for posting abroad. Any questions, please ask. And there's just a quick one of the unit again. I'll just turn that over. So it's not being tampered with at all. All in good order. Okay, I'll just clear this screen. That's all there. Okay then. Thanks very much and happy bidding.